आमची जेन्ना पळय आमी आयज जॉयन जाले तृणमूल काँग्रेसाक TMC आमी एकदम खुशाल आसात आनी द रिजन वाय वी हॅव जॉयन्ड इज देर आर सम वेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फेसेट्स दॅट आय वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट आवर जर्नी ऑफ लास्ट 25 years as an activist. We have seen that the parties that have come in ruled the state of Goa, but they have not been able to deliver, and that has been a very difficult time for us to assimilate over these last 25 years. What we have also seen is the rule in Goa. It has been very unstable. People have been like, jumping Joes, going from one party to another party, and that instability has caused a lot of harm to our state of Goa and its sustainable development. Number three, there were people who have come in as legislators who could not legislate, who could do everything else but legislations. And that has been the next another pitfall of our governance in the state of Goa. Having said that, when we are talking today about the BJP rule, it's very sad that the constitutional head, the former governor of the state of Goa, yesterday made a statement in one of the media where he was being interviewed that the governance of the BJP government has been into corruption. Totally corruption in everything and in anything. Now, how can one accept such type of a thing? And he totally unmasked the corrupt face of the BJP. The second point that I would like to make is whatever we have seen of all the hoardings